And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the Ruike D191B. We'll start off by showing you the knife. Telling you that it's a frame lock, manual flipper. Let's do some specs. 8.62 inches overall. The blade length is 3.62. It's a drop point blade. Blade thickness is 0.14. Comes in about 58 on the Rockwell scale. It is a HCR 13 MOV high carbon stainless steel knife. Supposed to have good retention and corrosion resistance. Weighs in at only 4.32 ounces. It has a textured G10 handle, a see-through chassis with 2 barrel spacers, lanyard hole, stainless steel reverse frame lock, little jimping under the flipper tab with a very subtle choil, and some jimping on top. Has like a faux harpoon style blade on top. It's easy one-hand deployment. Stainless steel pocket clip with the indentation here so it can rest easy in that area. We'll grab some paracord here and show you how it cuts. Cut very smoothly. This is a economy blade from Ruike. So it'd be like an entry-level one that I would use for a like an everyday use. It's only $24. So you can kind of grasp what kind of knife you're looking at there. Very similar to a cryo, or a little larger at the 8.6 inches. But still very lightweight, very thin. Let's grab some cardboard here. This is going to be a nice piercing knife, I bet. Yep. As you can tell, all 3.62 inches of the blade goes in. It's effortless cut because it is so thin, and they really put a nice edge on this knife. It is extremely sharp. Pierces right through the cardboard. You can tell I'm not giving hardly any effort in pushing this knife. I mean, I'm barely holding the knife and it goes right in. And I bet I wanted to give it a cut like this and see how it cuts. It doesn't have a pronounced tip on it. I mean, it has a nice tip, but it doesn't have that cutting tip. It's not bad. Well, it kind of went through almost all the way, didn't it? So I guess it is pretty good. Even though I wouldn't think of this type of knife as that used for that style. Wow. For $24, that knife was very impressive. So once again, this is the Ruike D191B. I guess that stands for black. It'd be nice if they gave them names, but they didn't in this case. If you guys that are watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, ring the bell and subscribe to our channel. It would be greatly appreciated and provide you with lots of great knife content. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.